A rare celestial event, annular solar eclipse, popularly called as Ring of Fire eclipse, will be visible this Sunday. The first solar eclipse of this year takes place on the summer solstice, which is the longest day in the northern hemisphere. While people living along the path, annular eclipse passing through Anupgarh, Suratgarh, Sirsa, Jakhal, Kurukshetra, Yamunanagar, Dehradun, Tapovan, and Joshimath will be able to see the annular phase. People in rest of the India can witness a partial eclipse. Bhuj will be the first town in India to see the beginning of eclipse at about 9:58 am. The eclipse ends 4 hours later at Dibrugarh, Assam at about 2:29 pm. Gharsana at the western boundary of India will be the first to witness the annular phase of eclipse at about 11:50 am. It will be for 30 seconds. Kalanka Peak in Uttarakhand will be the last major landmark to see the annular eclipse at about 12:10 pm, lasting for 28 seconds. When moon comes between the sun and earth, the shadow falls on the surface of the earth. The sun is entirely covered by the moon for a brief period. Those places that are engulfed by the dark, dense umbral shadow of the moon experience the total solar eclipse. In the regions that plunge into the soft, diffused penumbral shadow of the moon experience the partial eclipse. In all solar eclipses, the sun, moon, and earth may not be perfectly aligned, and when we only have a partial eclipse. When the three celestial bodies happen to be in a straight line, we have total solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse is a particular case of the total solar eclipse. Like the total solar eclipse, the moon is aligned with the sun. However, on that day, the apparent size of the moon happens to be V smaller than the sun. Hence, the moon covers the central part of the sun, and the rim of the sun appears like a ring of fire in the sky for a brief moment. The distance between the earth and the moon at the moment of eclipse can dictate the types of eclipse that will take place. The distance between the earth and moon is always changing due to the X-shaped elliptical orbit of the moon. It is closer to the earth and appears slightly bigger in the sky, and times where it is farther away and appears somewhat smaller in the sky. Coincidentally, during the eclipse takes place on June 21st, 2020, the apparent size of the moon is smaller than that of sun by 1%. At the onset of solar eclipse, sun gives a characteristics appearance of a bitten apple. A small part of the sun is covered by the disk of the moon. After that, slowly and steadily the disk of the moon embraces larger and larger part of the sun. On a narrow track that the moon's shadow traces on earth during the annular solar eclipse, people can see the moon traversing on the sun and covering the central part. As the moon is not able to block out the entire sun, a bright ring of sunlight around the moon will be visible. This is how this type of eclipse earned the nickname the Ring of Fire eclipse. If we miss this opportunity in India, we have to wait for about 28 months for the next solar eclipse. The next solar eclipse, which will be a partial solar eclipse, visible from India, will take place on October 25th, 2022. It would be visible in the western part of India. Sun is a very bright object, and looking at it directly can cause severe damage to the eye and vision. There are special googles made for looking the sun. These googles filter the sunlight for safe viewing. Further, it is strongly advisable to people not to gather in large number to view the eclipse given the pandemic situation. Solar eclipse is caused when the moon comes in front of the sun for a short time. As seen from earth, eclipse occur somewhere in the earth 2 to 5 times a year. Eclipses do not impact microorganisms on earth. Likewise, there no danger in eating of stepping out during an eclipse. No mysterious rays come out of the sun during the eclipse. Do not use sunglasses, googles, exposed X-ray sheet, or lampblack over a glass. They are not safe, nor is viewing the sun image of the surface of water. Welder's glass 13 or 14 can be used to see the sun directly with naked eye. Make a pinhole in a card sheet and hold it under the sun. At some distance, keep a screen of white paper. Keep the image of the sun can be seen on the sheet. By adjusting the gap between the sheet and the screen, the image can be made larger. Look at the shadow of the bush or tree. With the gaps between the leaves acting like pinhole, numerous images of eclipsed sun can be seen on the ground. You can see a strainer for making pinhole images. Cover the compact makeup kit mirror with the black paper. With a small hole at the center, reflect the image of the sun on the distance wall or in shadow. You can get a projected image of the eclipsed sun.